Hi, I'm Mark. Did you know that one of the areas where most RX manufacturing labs struggle with is to evaluate their collected production and equipment performance data in order to analyze trends? This is because data is scattered and difficult to pull together. For example, there may be several equipment log files from each machine that must be extracted, organized, interpreted. This of course is difficult and time-consuming for production staff who is also focused on meeting the day's production requirements. Due to this complexity, it is often difficult to identify both the low-hanging fruit when it comes to production performance improvement, as well as the long-term systemic issues that when acted on would serve as a continuous improvement model for long-term high performance. However, there is a solution. If you have a Satisloh Lab 4.0 ready machine, you can now make use of Satisloh's new MES-360 Lite Software, where you can take the first step into understanding your production better, increase the transparency and visibility of your equipment performance, while optimizing your production and reducing costs. MES-360 Lite provides daily reports using pre-established KPI to track machine utilization, production throughput, and top 5 errors, and it's really easy to install. Contact us at the link you see on the screen if you would like to learn more about MES-360 Lite.